to my channel. You guys had a good sleep in the night, so welcome back to my channel. So my day has started today just a minute back around 6 o'clock. So now it's time for my daughter's school, so I have to get her ready, and there is something exciting coming up. Stay tuned. My daughter is ready to school. Chalo, let's go. So off we go. We are going to school. It's sunny today. Bright sunny. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಚರ್ಚ್ ಪೆರಂಬಲಿಗ ತೂಲೆ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಇತ್ತೆ ಬಾಲೆನ ಬುಡ್ತು ಬತ್ತ ಇತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪೋಂದುಲ್ಲ ತುಲೆ ಏತ್ ಪೊರ್ಲು ತೋಜುನದೆ ಕಾಂಡೆ ಒಂದು ಕುಡೊಂಜಿ ಫೇಸ್ ಅವನು ಸೈರಾದ ದಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ನಾಗಬಣ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಇಟ್ಟು ದೈವದಲ್ಲ Morani just build in ate. So we have reached home after dropping my daughter to school. So now I eat breakfast with my dad and will take you along with me. Come. पहले पूरा अंदर पूरा किचन पूरा क्लीन ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. Nice. So I need to just hot water लेकर परवेग. So the table to कुल चुप. कलेग दादी इनका breakfast. नम्मा इनका breakfast दोसे yes. दोसे एक सांभर ಒಂದು ಮೀನ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಕರಿ ಎರೆಗ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಕರಿ ಖುಷಿ ಆಪುನ ನಿಕಲೆ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ಖುಷಿ ಆಪುನ ಪನ್ಲೆ ಕಮೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಕ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ಖುಷಿ ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ಇಂಕ್ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಆದ್ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಇಂಕ್ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ಖುಷಿ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಇತ್ತೆ ಬೆಚ್ಚ ನೀರು ಪರ್ದೆ ಕುಲ್ಲೆ ಅರೆ ಬಲೆ ಒಟ್ಟು ಪರ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿ ಬಲೆ ತಿನ್ಕ बले नाश्ता मन का बले खुले नट्टू यमी यमी नाश्ता तुले आते थिंदले
वाओ
इतने यान पप्पा अम्मा जी मदमे बिताड्या और अमृत गार्डन और नम्म कुर्तदंत सो ನನ್ನ ಆಂಟಿ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ और मेले पट्टिंची ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪೋಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಪೂರ ಕಲೆ ತುಗುತ್ತ ಅಕಲ್ಲ ಏನಿತ್ತು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಸಮಯ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ತುಟ್ಟಿ ಅಕಲೆ ಸೊ ಇತ್ತೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಬರೋನಿಲ್ಲ ಮದ್ಮೇದು ಅದು ಪೂರ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತದೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಪ್ರೈವಸಿ So just now we reached home after a wedding. Yes, we had a wedding to attend. You can see I'm wearing sari, Kanjivaram sari of my mama's. I'm not a sari person, but I felt like to wear sari for today. I don't know. It feels nice to wear sari, traditional, with the earrings, with the karyamani. I like to dress up fully like traditional married women. I'm married women, right? With the karyamani and all, with the bindi and the bangles. Chudi chudi. Yeah. How do I look? So yeah, I had to rush. We had to rush for the wedding, so I couldn't show you this. And in the evening there is one more reception in the evening. We'll take you along. Very hot. I don't know, after rain now the weather has become very much humid. There's no rain, so I will just change, and after a while I have to go to pick my daughter. I will take you along. Come with me, okay? We'll meet you after I change from this 7 yard of sorry. Where monkey is running away? See, my monkey has come from school and she's doing naughty things. Why are you naughty, man? Huh? Naughty girl. She has come now from school. Just now we bought her. So, what's your plan now? So, your tuition ma'am is going to come now?
Yes, I'm going to.
Tuition Didi. So, where are your t-shirt down? Not now. What is there? ಭಯ್ಯ ಅಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ತೊಳಸಿಗೆ ದೀಪ ಪತ್ತೊಂಬತ್ತೆ ದೀಪ ಪಕ್ಕ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಪೋರೆಂಡದೆ ಪಿದಾಡೋಡು ಬೇಗ ದೀಪ ಪಡ್ಕ The function port batta illa Isha aya to nama undu vlog nu wind up manka nana elle tikkaga so nikalega undu vlog like od uppodu. Thank you so much for your love anchene na moke to join the play. Give me lots and lots of love. Subscribe monthly viewers na kulu please eng nikala mast support bodu and support bodu subscribe monthly shok the vlogs barpuna nana. So like, share and subscribe. Bye. See you in the next vlog.